2 weeks in, miracle happened. I can't even remember the rest. I don't remember how I felt before, but I can tell you how I feel now. I literally felt like when I was 20, 19 years old. I was so happy. I was that person again. I even hated my husband. I disliked him. I fell in love with him again. And that was big for him and for me. It's almost like when we started going out again, and I just loved everything about him. I felt the biggest connection ever. Mm-hmm. We are amazingly happy. He is so grateful. Mm-hmm. And we're just living our best life now. He loves it. BHRT totally saved our marriage.